So my brassicas are not doing that great, you guys. I think it's just too hot in this room where I have everything growing. I have all of my shelving units going. The lights don't get hot, but this room, it's on the second floor. I have tons of windows on the south side, facing the south side. So when the sun comes in, it's just kind of crispy in here, right? I don't have a good way to control that here, and I am not about to open windows when, when it's 40 degrees outside. So my brassicas, they're struggling this year, and I think my lettuce are okay. All of these are lettuce here. I think they're okay, but my brassicas are just not, they're not doing too good. Can you see that there? They are just not so hot here. It gets, it gets 75, 78 in here, and I think they're just too hot for them. So what I'm going to do is that I am going to go, I call my local garden center. There's a small place that I like to visit close by, and they say that they have some brassicas. So I'm just gonna go and check because so we finally got a break on the rain, and I went and I grabbed a few things, quite a few things. I got some golden acre cabbage. I got some Brussels sprouts. I got some broccoli, and I got some early Jersey cabbage as well. So I got these 5-gallon bags, grow bags. It's the first time that I'm using them. I got them from Bootstrap Farmer, and I love this color. I love this red color. They are 5 gallons, and I don't know how I feel about them yet because this is the first time that I'm using them. So I got my potting mix here ready, and I am just going to put 1 plant per bag. I am not even going to try to attempt to put more than that. So I have regular potting mix here. And I do have some leaves that I collected last year from the neighborhood. So I am going to use those as mulch. But this is one. And on this guy, I'm going to have, actually I'm gonna do broccoli. So this is Green Magic broccoli. It has been raining like crazy the past few days, and today, this evening, I'm losing a little bit of light, but I think it's the perfect time. We're supposed to have more rain tomorrow, so these guys can be outside. It's nice and cool. So I am going to finish doing this for the rest of my seedlings that I bought. I am not going to use every single seedling. I'll probably save some. I'll see if my neighbors want them. But like I probably just will have 2 broccoli, couple cabbages, and I did got some Brussels sprouts. I'll try to get a couple of Brussels sprouts as well. So I'm just going to fill all of the rest of the bags, and I'm going to put the seedlings in there, just 1 plant per bag. I think that's good. Again, it's like 5-gallon grow bags. But you guys, let me show you what's going on with my winter sowing, because I know that some of you are wondering. So I have been keeping this tub against my garage. It's facing the east side, and I have been locking this like this just in case the wind opens it, but it's basically protected from the wind. Remember, we have drainage holes at the bottom, and I have a bunch of drainage holes on top. Let me show you. So I got a few things happening. I have poppies. They're sprouting. I have some amidara there. Look at that, gorgeous. I have a scabiosa. I have one of those things. I have 1 milkweed. But the one that I'm most excited about, it's my Verbena bonariensis, you guys. They're still tiny, but you can see them there. Isn't that gorgeous? I have a couple of foxgloves there. You can barely see them. I have more verbena here. So excited. I have been giving them water. I put my Hosereels from Hosereels USA. I put them up already. I even got a cover for one. My husband helped me. Thank goodness. They were deep in the garage, and I just been watering these on and off, and I am so excited for the hope that I think that this technique, this type of winter sowing is going to be working for me. So that's it for this quick video. I think it's raining, starting to rain again, thankfully. Just in time. I think I might just have to finish my grow bags inside so that I can just put them outside so they can get rainwater. I hope that I can actually get some broccoli and cabbage this year. Who knows? Thank you for being here, and until the next time.